Hello friends, today we will discuss about the problem on probability distribution, and particularly that is our third problem discussion. So let's check the problem. Here according to the problem statement, it is saying that capital XB are continuous random variable with the PDF as given for the value of small x belonging from 0 to 1 is x square into 2x plus 3 by 2, and for any other value of x the PDF is 0. If y is any other variable and that is denoting by the 2 by capital X plus 3, then we have to find out the variance of y. So let's check the solution. Here according to the solution we have to find out the variance of y. Now variance of y means 2 by x plus 3. So we may write it as variance of 2 by x plus 3, and that one is becoming 4 into variance of 1 by x. How? And that is we are using the linear property of variance, where variance of ax plus b, that means when a and b those are particularly constants, then we may write it as a square into variance of x. So here in the same manner a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. So that one is becoming 2 square into variance of 1 by x, or 4 of variance 1 by x. Now if we look at the formula for variance or finding the variance of x, we have the formula that is e of x square minus ex whole square. So according to find the variance of 1 by x, we have to find out e of 1 by x square minus e of 1 by x. So first we are finding expectation of 1 by x. Now look at the PDF. The PDF is given as x square into 2x plus 3 by 2. So when we have to find out ex, that is according to the formula x into fx of dx. So here that is 1 by x, so that must be 1 by x. So according to the problem, if we have to find out e of 1 by x, that one is becoming from the range 0 to 1, as the range has been given from 0 to 1, and that is 1 by x into x square 2x plus 3 by 2 of dx. So we may omit 1x, and that one is becoming x into 2x plus 3 by 2, and we have to integrate and find the definite integration value from 0 to 1. Let's check the integral. Then we may write it as 2 of x square plus 3 by 2 of x from 0 to 1 dx. Then after integration we are getting it as 2 by 3 into x cube plus 3 by 2 into x square by 2, or from 0 to 1, or that one is 2 by 3 x cube plus 3 by 4 x square from 0 to 1, as 0 is becoming 0. So that one is 2 by 3 of 1 cube plus 3 by 4 of 1 square, or 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4, or that one is finally from 12, that is 6, and that one is 12, or we may get the result as 17 by 12. Sorry, the calculation is wrong. Once again, if we calculate the thing, that is becoming 8 by 12 plus 9 by 12, or that is 17 by 12. So that is our expectation of 1 by x. Then we have to find out e of 1 by x square. Now according to same manner, 1 by x square means 1 by x square into x square of 2x plus 3 by 2 of dx. So we can omit the x square, and the range is also from 0 to 1. So that one is becoming just like 2x, that means 2 into x square by 2 plus 3 by 2 of x from 0 to 1. We can omit the 1, and that one is becoming 1 square by 1 plus 3 by 2, or that is 5 by 2. So the result is for e of 1 by x square is equal to 5 by 2 and e of 1 by x is equal to 17 by 12. So find the variance of 1 by x. E of 1 by x square minus e of 1 by x whole square, and the result is just in that way. That means 5 by 2 minus 17 by 12 whole square, and finally the result is 71 by 144. So in that way also we can find out the variance of any other variable which is related with the given continuous random variable, and its PDF has been given.